What's the meaning of caseworker? Caseworker. Caseworker.
Caseworker. Caseworker. A caseworker is a professional who provides social and welfare services to individuals, families, and communities in need. They work closely with people to assess their needs, develop plans, and connect them with necessary resources and services. Caseworkers may be employed by government agencies, non-profit organizations, schools, or healthcare facilities. Their primary goal is to help improve the quality of life and well-being of their clients. They may also provide counseling, advocacy, and education on various issues such as mental health, housing, employment, or substance abuse. Overall, caseworkers play a crucial role in supporting vulnerable populations and promoting social justice.